Happy April Fool's Day, reselling friends. My name is Anthony. So since today is a very special holiday, I'm hoping you can forgive me for venturing off the topic of reselling just a little bit. Since this is my first year on YouTube and my first April Fool's Day as a YouTuber, I had hoped to do something really special. But then the world just kind of went crazy and lost track of days, and I didn't get anything planned. I thought about just rushing some idea, like maybe pretend to shave my beard. Or perhaps I would try to concoct some big eBay hoax and get everyone in a tizzy. But when it came down to it, I just couldn't do that to you guys. I mean, you're my friends. You deserve more, and if I can't put my whole heart into something, I'm just not gonna do it to you. But I still wanted to do something fun today. So a couple days ago, I got this giant mystery box in the mail. Figured it'd be fun to open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so here's the scoopy scoop. Last week sometime I got an email from this fella named Dave, and he has a YouTube channel called Quarterbash. He does some reselling, but his channel's mainly about coin roll hunting and error bills and stuff like that. Pretty interesting. However, he asked if it would be okay if he sent me something, and he was super cryptic about the entire thing. He said that there was a trick involved, he said that he wanted to film a video about it first. So I had no clue about what we were talking about here. A few days later, this big box shows up at my front door. He then sends a new message saying that the video will be uploaded that day, but he would suggest that I open the box before I watch the video. It did not make me any less nervous. I still have not seen the video. However, last night I was browsing on YouTube, and since I am subscribed to his channel, this popped up in my feed. So now I'm even more nervous because I think there might be some sort of haunted mask in this box. I think I'll be okay, as long as it's not made of like human skin or something like that. But I'd be lying if I said I wasn't a little nervous about opening this box right now. So if I scream like a little girl or something, please don't think any less of me. Let's open it up. Alright guys, moment of truth. I've got some packing peanuts. Smaller box inside with a letter attached. Anthony. Enclosed you will find one very likely cursed mask that came to me from the buyer of an abandoned storage locker. I suspect the buyer was attempting to avoid their fate by passing the curse on to me. I can only assume that, like in the film It Follows, one can only stave off their looming disaster by passing it off to another and hoping they do the same. If handled in such a manner, might doom be avoided, or at least delayed. Who can say? I leave it up to you to determine what should be done with this infernal object. If you decide to pass the risk on to another, I feel confident in your wisdom to choose a worthy candidate from the ranks of another YouTube reseller. If you decide to keep it for yourself, I applaud your bravery. Might I suggest that you hang it near the Static Age LP on your wall? Hey, yeah, that's a good idea. I apologize for bringing you into all of this. I didn't know where else to turn. Yours in hopes and fear, Dave. Quarterbash. Does not sound promising. It appears to be very solid, does not feel like human skin or anything like that, so I already feel better. Okay, guys. That is incredible. Oh my gosh, that is an amazing piece of art, I think. I don't know, Dave, this is a very cool mask, and I think I want to keep it, and I think I will hang it on my wall. Now, if things start to go south for me, you guys out there better watch out, because this might be coming your way. But, at least for a while, I think I'm going to hang this on my wall. That is a cool looking mask right there. So thank you so much, Dave at Quarterbash. I'm pretty excited about this, actually. This is really neat. Now I'm going to go watch Dave's video, and I'm going to link Dave's channel and the video in the description down below. So make sure you check that out. Make sure we can all learn together exactly how this entire thing started. That was my very first mystery box, and I'm excited to have a new piece of artwork for my wall. So keep an eye out for this guy in future videos, because he's probably going to hang around for a while. Alright guys, so that's what I got for you today. Video was a lot different than usual, but it's a special day, and I hope you guys have fun. But as always, thanks a lot for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you. Bye. Real quick, I just went and showed this to my wife. She thinks it looks like Donald Trump. I think it kind of looks like Alec Baldwin. But as I was walking back to the office, I almost tripped and fell. So the curse may be starting. When they hear that cha-ching, and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.